Toronto, Canada, January 26, 2026. Toronto was buried under 55 centimeters of snow as a historic storm disrupted daily life.
Out.
A powerful low-pressure system brought heavy rain, plummeting temperatures, and reduced visibility to parts of Toronto and southern Ontario on Monday morning, January 26, 2026. The heavy, continuous snowfall, combined with a record-breaking blizzard and storm surge, dumped more than 55 centimeters of snow in 24 hours. The conditions blocked many streets, paralyzed traffic, damaged some infrastructure, and caused widespread flight cancellations and delays at Toronto's Pearson International Airport. Several schools were also temporarily closed. A powerful winter system swept across much of southern Ontario. The epicenter of the storm was Toronto, where downtown and suburbs such as Scarborough, North York and Etobicoke were buried under thick layers of snow. The storm's impact was not limited to Toronto, with surrounding cities in the Toronto metropolitan area including Mississauga, Vaughan, Markham, Richmond Hill, Oakville, and Burlington also experiencing heavy rain and blizzard conditions.
Come back.
Oh yeah. That was smooth.
Along southern Ontario, cities such as Belleville, Trenton, Kingston, Peterborough, and London were also in the path of the system, experiencing severe reduced visibility and freezing conditions. This wide geographic distribution meant that the January 2026 snowstorm paralyzed much of southern Ontario, bringing daily activities to a near standstill in many cities. This heavy snowstorm caused widespread damage and consequences in southern Ontario, especially Toronto. The greatest damage was seen in the transportation sector, with about 40% of flights at Pearson International Airport being cancelled and hundreds of other flights being delayed. Major highways such as Highway 401 and parts of urban highways were temporarily closed, and many vehicles were stuck in snow and blizzards on the roads. Toronto's public transportation network also faced severe delays and partial suspension of some subway and bus lines. In the education sector, schools and educational centres in Toronto and surrounding cities were closed, and administrative and commercial activities were also severely reduced. The City of Toronto declared a major snow event, and thousands of municipal service workers were mobilised with heavy machinery to clear snow from streets and residential neighbourhoods, which imposed heavy costs on the city budget. Economically and socially, the storm disrupted supply chains, delayed employee travel, and reduced business activity. It also increased the risk of frostbite, pedestrian slips, and road accidents. Overall, the winter event not only broke weather records, but also had a significant impact on the daily lives of residents of southern Ontario, paralysing transportation, closing schools, and imposing heavy clean-up costs. In the wake of the winter storm, emergency services and utilities in the affected states were on high alert. Traffic police, firefighters, and emergency medical teams were deployed to deal with traffic accidents, help people stranded on the roads, and transport the injured to medical facilities. The National Guard was also deployed in some areas to help open blocked roads and distribute heating supplies. Electric utilities sent thousands of technicians to repair damaged networks. These workers worked in extremely cold conditions to clear broken branches from power lines and replace damaged cables. Local officials said that the priority for restoring power was to medical facilities, critical facilities, and densely populated areas.
Look how high up the snow comes to the door. Oh my gosh.
This winter storm showed how the collision of cold Arctic air with southern moisture can affect the lives of millions of people in a short period of time. Thank you for sticking with us until the end of this report. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe to the channel and write your opinion about this event in the comment section. Until the next video, take care of yourself.